Talk about the pros and cons of testosterone treatment with the doctor you use for your menopause treatment. It's essential for every woman to know what she's getting into when it comes to starting any medical regimen, especially one that changes hormone balance. Testosterone restoration is a highly safe form of medical therapy because the goal is not to flood the body with testosterone, but simply to restore healthy, youthful hormone balance in a way that optimally benefits the health of the patient. To make sure that the patient responds adequately to therapy, it is essential to keep track of testosterone concentration, cholesterol levels, and red blood cell count on a periodic basis to both make sure that the treatment is working and mitigating the risks of treatment. If you feel that menopause is suppressing your sex life or negatively impacting your health in other ways, understand that estrogen is not the only form of hormone deficiency that affects female health during menopause. Concerning many aspects of menopause, maintaining healthy testosterone levels is even more critical than preserving female hormone balance. If you are plagued by fatigue, memory issues, and loss of sex drive as you try to pass through menopause as just as possible, talk to your doctor about what testosterone can do for you. Always be proactive because the best care available to use is only a doctor's appointment away. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos, and please click the link below in the description to learn more about testosterone injections for women.